suggests that I can see the village of Mukeng from here. But as you can see, that's simply not possible. I'm going to go back up because I just got a feeling that road should lead me to something more interesting than just going back and hitting the trail down to the visitor center again. Off to my left there seems to be a walkway I can see through the trees sometimes. See if I can see it again. There it is. So I'm going to take this road further. Continue down this road. There's a walkway and you can hear the hordes of people jabbering down there. And a few voices off to my right, which may be villagers. What'll be interesting is how do I get down? There must be a way down. This road looks relatively new. Not only from how its dirt is hitting on the sides of these, because the dirt is leaning up against the bamboo trees, but also just the way it appears freshly chopped out of the side here. This is an bamboo aerial ropeway I could take. I don't have the courage to do this, so I don't think so. I mean, granted, I don't have that many years to live in what would be the loss to society, but this while quicker and while fascinating doesn't appeal to me. We all had a chuckle about how I'm too much of a coward to go down there at my august age, trumping with my reverence for old age card. They indicated that this route we're going now, this direction will take me down. If I were not in China, I might take the risk of trying to walk down, but it's pretty darn steep in any place that I look. And it might probably doable, but not if I don't have to. There's something going on right here, so just for fun I want to go up here and see what it is, although I think this is probably just access to field. Okay, I think to our left down that valley is the little ancient village of Chidi, which I'll go to maybe later today if I have time. But this path I've climbed up above the road is just for more crops. Interesting that there are some cars here. Maybe this is a trailhead for something really neat. Or perhaps this village that may be up that trail or up this road farther. That wouldn't be it. They'd drive up. They have cars. Perhaps somewhere right around here was where they shot the scenes for the movie. So I've come upon a little village, and that man, he kept walking up another road, so whether I can get out of here this way or not, who knows? But I'm guessing I probably can. It's a lovely building. It may be someone's home or a small hotel. Strategy is just to keep taking anything that goes downhill. Seems to work. I'm gonna get down there a little further. Paraphrase Kingston Trio. You may ride forever beneath the streets of Boston. Okay, up there in the center is that rope trolley. And these steps are all new. giving easy access from that little tourist place to the main trail through the forest. And you can see in set places the footprints of the men who live up through here or worked on here. The sheep's going off those little jobbies. I think bamboo grows rapidly, but I think it also dries out and rots fairly fast. Just some old pictures from the shooting. There in the middle, or way off in the distance above that, is the town of Shidi. It's an ancient village that I'll go to a little bit later this afternoon. Should be right over there if that's it.